Ghee's the winner pure butter fat. Smoke point's 485 Fahrenheit, so it laughs at high heat. Use cast iron or stainless, both stick-free if you don't let it cool. Heat ghee till it shimmers. Drop an egg, bam, slides like silk. No Teflon, no poison, just golden. Butter flavor, zero burn. You're basically cooking in liquid gold. Those non-stick pans, when they're scratched or you crank the heat over 450, they start smoking off PFOA, that forever chemical. Gets in your lungs, ends up in baby's blood. Throw 'em out. Use plain old stainless, looks boring, cooks fine. And oils, corn, soy, canola, they're cheap but turn into acrolein when hot. Burns your throat, spikes cancer risk. Stick to coconut, smoke point 350. Olive extra virgin for low heat, 325 max. Or avocado, 500,